Welcome to Digital Learning. Dear students, we are studying the course Organizational Behavior. This course is of 5th semester BBA of Mangalore University, and we are in the Unit 2, Session 19. Topic for today's discussion is distortion in perception. In the last session, we have studied the factors influencing the perception and perception process. The learning objective of today's session is to understand what causes distortion in perception. Students will be able to understand the causes of distortion in perception. The perceptual process enables an individual to perceive things around him or her accurately. It facilitates a smooth functioning. Some errors may creep in this process, which lead to wrong or impaired perception. They are illusions and hallucinations. Illusion. What is this illusion? A mistaken perception or distortion in perception is called illusion. When interpretation of a particular stimulus goes wrong, it gives rise to wrong perception. Example, a rope in the dark is perceived as snake. A dry leaf moving along the ground in the dark is perceived as a moving insect. Illusions are not totally caused by the subjective conditions. Sometimes environment is responsible for illusion. Example, rope is perceived as snake due to the darkness in the environment. Environmental context and response to stimulus may lead to distortion in perception. Hallucination. Hallucinations are identified as one of the major errors of perception. Illusion is accuracy. Hallucinations are false perception. Hallucinations are sensory perceptions in the absence of any corresponding external stimuli. For example, if a person claims he has seen a ghost, there is particularly no stimulus either in the form of human situation or a live human figure or at least anything resembling it. It is considered as hallucination. Hallucinations, we can say that dreams are hallucinations. No factual basis for what is seen in dreams, isn't it? Dream we cannot define also. A person here feels non-existing object in the dream. We feel the dream, but we see the things, we feel that we have seen, we are listening to something, we heard something, we feel something, but object is non-existing. It is hallucination. To summarize, illusions and hallucinations are distortion in perception. They are caused by environmental context and person's mental states like fear, anxiety, frustration occurring in the real life situation. These are the references books. Some questions for understanding or for testing the understanding level. Some errors creep in this process which lead to correct perception, impaired perception, dreams, none of the above. Answer will be given at the end. So, second question. The perceptual process enables an individual to perceive things around him accurately, inaccurately, wrongly, none of the above. Answer is accurately. A mistaken perception or distortion in perception is called hallucination, illusion, both of the above, all of the above. Answer is illusion. Fourth one, a dry leaf moving along the ground in the dark is perceived as a moving object. It is an example for correct perception, illusion, hallucination, none of the above. Answer is illusion. Fifth one, hallucinations are misperception, inaccuracy, mistaken perception, false perception. Answer is B, that is false perception. So answers are given here again. First question, second question, third question, fourth question and fifth question. The answers are B for first question, A for second question, B is the answer for third question, B is the answer for fourth question, and D is the answer for fifth question. Thank you for listening to the class.